Yada say yamwakwa babiem do Badwam TV Badwam dwumade no so titiw no wo afei na fidie no odi ato ha news no ya wie ni sisi ne yakwaji twa ye ho kitiwa ya yasa benti yada se papa ne yada awrade nso ase se anadwo da suo mu aye nim ye ho so hwe no o manabofo no bewen ye mre no so ye hwe ene ya sori jejina ho se bibia ye no ma no but eye awradia timesrew awrade nso de wo hia sika bi na ade adanase fa wano keke kase wura medase se ne wo kan wa hotefo papa no menso wa menya mu chefa ti adase me nyina ye kra na enipadua na enim se awrade a ode ya hyase no ode bekwa wie ye pa ensi obi aye emi obi aye nyame nko anam gina ha no pay aye se incoming Bismarck akwasi insia gina ne na so e wa ha o so ani mu kwan se mre bi beba santemampon okwa akosomo mo underground de na se be ye be pie wani pa ni so ye twen nyame anim adom ti be 2038 ho de 28 on me ma wakwa abanti nkasa bebre ti ne me fe no so am wakwa abai
me joso
se bia bako de
nyame adom
de nyame ase ne wani mo se bia papa
oh yes
de mano entena hoda
amen afia
because of enwa de see ye nti se no ahye mu afan ba na bi ti ne de nyame nka obi aho yentime mfam ento ho na healing kakra it be man kasa bebre ye go straight to the papers uni hweka kasi uni hweka it be ye go papers ni mu
if you Ghanaian Times democrats so say outcome of Ghanaian Times expose dismissed pregnant student back to school
so okay
following yes
let me say you were central ho side akwa 50 years na
yeah
Tuesday na uni ha ebamu 50 years old farmer 14-year-old girl and one yam no.
And no, can remember we say across 6 years in Swanyam.
Oh, ewa he.
Only you.
Ewa Ghana.
Enya Ghana. Enya Ghana.
Hey, 6 years de any akra no obunesa tambere no. But na dey be possible 9 years kro mu menstruate nti no. Yanya careful na Adam e ka kire o mu no.
Yeah, na me nyine nti me hu video no keke no. No some ready more.
Sir, you see where even?
Was it Tanzania na say? Yeah.
Hey, 6 years. Abere wawo. No, anya
fu aba come on
anya kra kwasi de to aso
resident persons risk prosecution for failure to disclose incomes. President inaugurates second phase 50 megawatt power Kalio solar power plant project. Mahama touts credentials of Professor Opoku Ajiban. Ghanaian Times and no daily guide ensu enie no salaries for first second lady Supreme Court. Latif Abubakar, Italian embassy partner for the license. President orders SML contract renegotiation. Baumia meet Pope Francis in historic Vatican visit. Nana pledges loyalty to Mahama. Daily guide. Daily graphic and Enye. KPMG audit finds tax revenue increase. SML cleared to continue work. My choice is believe in Ghanaian women. Professor Nana Opoku Ajiman. Traders laud free SHS policy for bridging education inequality gap. Salaries of first, second ladies unconstitutional. Supreme Court and I can say him. The Inquisitor. GRA SMLD. State creams 2.5 billion Ghana cedis. KPMG audit reviews. SML blocked leakages. Contract review triggered. Jane fires NDC up for victory 2024. ICEG schools or Safmafu or load shedding timetable. The Inquisitor Enonom. Daybreak, VIP in historic visit to Vatican. Anomabu chief, one other jailed for contempt. Fined 5,000 Ghana cedis each. SML checked under declared petroleum product. Power challenges end soon. Herbert Crapper. Coming up, Sebastian and grabbing of juicy land. State land and prime areas in Accra. Daybreak, I don't know. The finder and family area see the new finder. EcoBank post narrowing 85 million Ghana cedis profit before tax in 2023. SML minimized under declarations but needs review. President. We will prosecute corrupt officials. Professor Jenana Opoku Ajiman. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia Francis hold talks in the Vatican to strengthen diplomatic ties. New finder, I don't know.
Ntiane na say the one krata no say de utie mampani abede kire ko Vatican na woni Pope Francis akohia na ehunfoni na nyame anim ni efe yi pa na solar energy yin so a ampani gu so a ne on betumi yesi se omo de be 15 megawatts na aba be ka ho ti ye bom pa ye se ne ma betumi asesemu na se electricity no kura na enye no a enam solar no so ntimi mo a when me be say we share achimota main stretch no light and the street lights are not working nti esum ewo mu ti se o ka ne ano nya te se me die ya it's all too high ba ko na o se lo no what you say hey sa me light nkwa ba ko 7,000 8,000 me manage ne sa nti sa ka no ye nkwa na
ebo ani a
what day wow that's America was a candy overto na maintenance candy overto na maintenance ono bob ba ko pe no 7,000 8,000 wow
menam ko no me twie ni pai na
nti ya yenye careful because they expensive nti monto mo bo ye nyina ye nkɔ no bɔkɔ ye bedru
obia bedru ba bi okobia
but I was here cancel se street light dey at least ese de bia no awie adwuma ti eno no na hia solar plant no ne ade fanto toto so se be ya se kane akora akɔ off wo mantem ho kora affect no ene ye no traffic light no so wonu mu no sa ne hia se be ye dey every day na esi so na ye adwuma eno betimi save ye ne ma bebre yes betimi save ye eno ndc so kasi omu ya de na efe
professor J
na prof nso akire se 4 years difference no changes here like who say bibia sesa the swag level and then the entry no cra no who say different person 70-year-old woman no ndi chale 25 on 35 for munya studio
akrabia ma enu ama minute mi gina na so
oh yes
for some
gina na so kasa
Bedu be kwa mka say be speech na wadodo but otimi carry no
enye scripted from the trimo
but you say otimi carry no along and now they
ekoye
I think why there yes
and nyame ma no
so we want to believe say some niema no mo kan no o metim dia ye adwuma yes sa ye mo mpa ye say ready na emra because be am ka say NDC MPP obi enu oba o ntim so oba beton Ghana abeche obi aso ba be Ghana yi ti ade nti e da so ti ABCD
eno ne asemo no nti ye
so munya kwanya no e betena Ghana ba nya so ebim through President Mahama omi hu the vast difference between John Mahama the first and the second coming of John Mahama you say ampa oman no e kɔ n'anim e bia meka se yenyan saa de ne se efia na ye wan wi me mfa mensa enka your money sika because efia akwasi peso no so nya no nyamti no nso akwahye wo frase and efia na de ama no esha sika na wo efia na be adwam esha and certainly e bia na wanwie that's where I say nya second term anko 8 years na wanwie afenu obegya de so mienu de aba be good the next government ono so ba na so sa ko pesca be ye but esimesi be na obeto obenten de so a enen ke because every make say maybe this agenda 111 assume that admitting say President Kufuor grant me and commission bia the next government be obebe bia na so bitimi aboa complete ni nyina to the number of hospitals you have to put to them
yeah no any problem no say ye to aso no
any issue
and no any problem because you dey say ye to aso credit na e ko amobi but say do mine pa na nyina pe e dey akra na efe say oh wanwie enso so mesi ba ye no
beto aso e your mind obi no dey bottom scan
e your mind no credit no so kra wo mba mu bie because obi hyase e na obi abawie nti e dey ya mienu ni nyina din beba na so man ye nyina ya dwene se ya Ghana pa mo mpa de nke any problem o
project ye gya ne nwure mu pa egu an mu a yes bomb painting kwase be sa ye the same project no front
kane mampani ayi Kofo Bresu de nyina o
e gugu won
da sugu ho kwase me emfa we no fam online de no so emfam enra se wa de ne apology letter abeda internet no so nti Ghana for mu bi so akasa de afa ho badomonline.com eno so ewo ho
so say 5 years ago
sa video no ache nti no unya bra wa akọ na kokenkan wadomonline.com and afa owura okujeja black one so ensama work and he say she's done a lot for Ghana. That is a Professor Opoku Ajiman. Nti why you ready for vice presidency no and also ehun asem ni ade hia waketa ne anlo and so sensuo no eyira beto won toye ne ade nti afei na won keka ne mesi ani se ne man so ebeye ama wo mo enradom Mohu ye say ye de live coverage de abram nti badomonline.com so a for nyina wodo na me hu obi eyi owura akofi potofi.
Okay.
Eh me hu na chepa o nti o flashy o na so wow. Nti eno mpanifo na yetichu on so ebaye no room for fighting over positions in Mahama's 2024 administration. We see edun kesi.
This oye Professor Jenano Pokwaj my speech na. One of the idea catching yes.
Okay.
Because I say part in phobia church position amanko for namwa of Minister of Energy, Minister of Education, Minister of Transport.
Sasa ni mutiri mu a wona focus.
We remember on so na
obi e dia fa kon. Tumo ni na ho. Na bibia nkoye. Kwesi ase mre na so. Ti emfansi ha. Yeda ase ye koya gudie mu nsam erekese edu body day ba. Na fei health tips wiki mu nyina vegetables and nuts. Ye wie pe ene ayaya wada de mamboatema ejinam live and colored e de ho sepe ba na fe nkomo ahodo bi asemidi council ebeba mu gidigidi e de amount na fe pensem waka ho nto adaroma eni afidie yin free ha na so pensem papa e authentic dia e Adom TV.